You are using NumPy powerful einsum function to sum up an array. You wrote a simple subscript string but suddenly crash. Value error input operand has more dimensions than allowed. This error message is scary, but it is really just a counting problem. Let us inspect our specific input data, array A. It creates a 3D block, 2 layers, 2 rows, and 2 columns. The shape is 2, 2, 2. That means we have 3 axes to account for. Now look at the code you wrote, np.einsum The string ij only provides 2 letters, I and j. NumPy iterates through the axes of A to assign these labels. The axis 0, so the layers gets assigned the label ipal was axis 1. The rows gets assigned the label j, but wait. We still have axis 2, the columns. The string ran out of letters. Axis 2 is orphaned. Unlike other NumPy functions, einsum requires explicit labeling. It does not automatically ignore extra dimensions. It crashes. To fix this, we must provide a label for every single axis. We need 3 letters for 3 dimensions. Let us add k. Our new string is ij, k, ij, and k. Let us verify the mapping now. 0 to I, 1 to j, 2 to k. This tells NumPy keep I and sum over j and k. Let us trace the math with the concrete numbers. For I equals 0 layer 1, we have values 1, 2, 3, 4. Summing them up, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10. For I equals 1. Layer 2, values are 5, 6, 7, 8. Sum is 26. So we expect a final result of 1026. We update the code res equals np.einsum ijk I pev. It runs perfectly. The error is resolved. Pro tip, you can also use ellipsis ... to auto-label the rest. But sticking to explicit labels like ijk is safer for debugging.